Welcome everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable flash screen notifications for audio alerts in Windows 11. This feature is really useful if you want to get visual alerts for sounds, like notifications or system alerts. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Accessibility section and click on it. Then, in the Accessibility menu, scroll down and select Audio. Next to Flash Screen, during audio notifications, you will see a menu. Click on it and choose the type of flash you prefer. You can select options like a full-screen flash or just a flash around the border of your screen, depending on what is easiest for you to notice. Finally, after selecting your preferred flash style, close the Settings window. Now, whenever an audio notification occurs, your screen will visually flash according to your chosen style, making it easier to notice alerts even in a noisy environment or if you have hearing difficulties. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.